Well, it's Wednesday, so that means it's hump day. Unless, of course, you're retired like me, so every day is Wednesday. But it's also a lunar Greek day. So in John 6:35, Jesus declares, I am the bread of life. He who comes to me shall never hunger, and he who believes in me shall never thirst. And also in Matthew 11, he says, Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So, several words to look at there. He who comes to me. The word ekomai, G2064, means to come from one place to another. And we're often reminded that repentance is just that. It's a turning. You turn from one thing to another. You go from one place to another. So he who comes to me shall never hunger. It's the Greek word panao, G3983, and it means to be hungry, to suffer want. And how many times do we suffer want? He who comes to me shall never hunger, and he who believes in me shall never thirst. It's the Greek word dispao, G1372, and it means those who thirst painfully feel their need for that which refreshes and strengthens them. What refreshes and strengthens you or me? Psalm 42, we're told, as the deer pants after the water, so I pant and long for you, God. So the question is, do you hunger and thirst for God? I know I usually don't. Not always. And usually I hunger and thirst for Him when I'm in trouble, let's be honest. But 2 Timothy tells us, if we are faithless, He remains faithful and true to His word. Romans 5:8 tells us, but God shows and clearly proves His own love for us by the fact that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. So when I have failed, He never fails. And He will come to us in our desperation and our failure. But what Jesus really wants is for us to go to Him. Just because He's always there, just because He wants us, He longs and desires for us to come to Him. He wants us to give us our burdens so that He can give us His burdens, which are light. Because He loves us, each and every one of us, He loves us enough to have died for us. So my prayer today for all of us is that we learn how to hunger and thirst for Him and His righteousness.